Misha, and we are Mimi Spot, a place for beauty, fashion, lifestyle, DIY, and of course social media tips. So today's video is gonna be a facial mask tutorial. I want to show you guys how you can get your face toned, how you can get your face tissue repaired, and how you can get your face lightened or brightened without changing or affecting your skin complexion, and how you can get your face fresh and looking young all the time using only two natural home remedies. And those are the two ingredients I believe and know that every one of us have them in their kitchens right now. So let's go right into the video. So like I said, today's video we're gonna need two kitchen ingredients. The first ingredient is gonna be sugar, and if you have powdered sugar, of course it will be very nice that you use that, but if you don't have that, of course go ahead and use this. I also don't have powdered sugar at the moment, so that's why I'm gonna use this. And the reason we have sugar in our face mask today is because sugar is a natural exfoliator, and we all know that, or if we don't know that, so we know it now that sugar is a natural exfoliator. And sugar contains, of course, glycolic acids, which will keep our skin looking fresh and young. So that's one result that we want to achieve with this facial mask, and that's why I'm including sugar in today's facial mask. So our next ingredient is gonna be an egg. We're gonna need one egg. Egg is a very good source of protein, and that's why I'm using it in this mask, because it's gonna help you keep your skin toned, and it's gonna help you, of course, lighten and brighten your skin color without even affecting your complexion or changing it. It's gonna help you repair your facial tissues. So that's why the egg is very important in today's mask, because that's the results I want to achieve in today's facial. So the other things that we're gonna use, we don't need a plate, of course. I just put my things there. We need a spoon, or if not, you can use a fork. And we'll need, of course, a glass or a metal bowl. Let's go into the preparation. We're gonna use the bowl to mix our two ingredients. So what we need from this egg, we only actually need the egg white. So we don't need the yolk, we are taking only the egg white. So I'm going to make a small opening on my egg and try to drain out the egg white without actually taking the yolk in my bowl. So now we're going to go get our sugar. So I'm gonna go on and get 1 teaspoon, like this spoon, and then we're gonna go on and get a half. That's 1.5 teaspoon. So after putting all that together, I'm gonna mix the two ingredients till this makes a foam or forms a foam. Continue mixing until the foam is really, really thick. So our mask is ready to use. Let's go now to the application. After our mask is ready, like you can see here, it has a very thick consistency, and that's what we want to achieve. So we're gonna go on and apply it on our face. Applying, we can use our fingers to apply the face mask, or we can use a painting brush, or we can of course use our makeup brush. If you have like a makeup brush, you can sacrifice or ready to give up to be your facial brush, your facial mask brush. You can also sacrifice one if you don't have this. I'm gonna go on and apply. That's why I had to wear this, because this can of course slip off the face on my laptop screen. My light is getting dim, it's because outside it's really cloudy, and now it has gotten even more cloudy. It looks like it's raining any second from now. So I think this part of my video might look really dark or terrible. So I'm gonna leave my mask to rest on my face for about 20 to 15 minutes and then I'll be back. So guys, it's been 20 minutes since I put my mask on and it's completely dry. I wanted actually to make a massage with it on my face, but I went outside and sat a little bit in the sun and found myself dozing off under the sun. So I slept for 20 minutes and then I woke up, so my mask was already dry. I wanted to do a massage after the 15 minutes, so when it's still a little bit wet, but right now it's dry and I can't do the massage. Keep your mask on for about 14 to 15 minutes and then don't remove it, but then go in and massage your face with it on so it penetrates properly in the skin. If you want to skip the massaging, then let it sit for the complete 20 minutes and then wash it off. Before you wash it off, it should be dry after 20 minutes. Like you see mine, the powder is falling off. That's powder. So it's falling off because it's dry. So let's go on and wash up this mask and then be back. Let's go get this off. So thanks a lot guys for watching. I remain Mimisho and we are still on Mimi's Pot. This facial is supposed to be done like 3 to 4 times a week. So I tell you guys, natural homemade remedies are not like something you're going to do in a minute and you get the result. So you have to be consistent and you have to have the patience. But if you do that, of course, it will be very beneficial. So if you're watching for the first time, hit the button so you can become part of the family, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it or find it interesting. I really love how my face turned out. The mask was really nice. My face feels so smooth, it feels fresh, and it feels very tight, like my skin feels tightened. So if you're gonna give this mask a try, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be really grateful. But with that all said, let me say choose, a sign out, and we'll see us in my next video. Peace.